Hello, my name is Simona, I'm crochet designer, and today I will show you how to make this small crochet pumpkin. I will tell you the secret how to make a pumpkin like this in any size you want. For this pumpkin, I was using 6mm MonoMey Studio cord. For the stick, I was using cinnamon. And so the colors are yellow and green as a detail on the top. So let's start. So firstly, let's make a knot. Leave a longer end, we will need it at the very end. So let's make a knot like this. I'm using 6mm MonoMey Studio soft and colorful cord, and with this cord I'm using 8mm hook. So let's start. To make this size, the same size pumpkin like this, for the beginning I will chain 13 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, I need more cord, 11, 12, and 13. So we have a chain of 13. This is our row 1. Now row 2. What we will do? We will skip right this stitch, the last one that we made, and we will start working to this loop. So we will make 12 single crochet. We chained right here 13. We're skipping the last chain we made, and from this one we will make 12 single crochet. So let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So far it looks like this. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So this is the end of row 2. We made 12 single crochet. Now, what to do if you want to make the pumpkin bigger or smaller? So if you decide to make the pumpkin bigger, chain more, let's say 15 chains, then you will have to make 14 single crochet. If you want to make the smaller pumpkin, chain 10 and then make only 9 single crochet. So whatever you make on the chain, in single crochet, make 1 stitch less than you have on the chain. So let's say you want to make a big pumpkin. So you will chain, let's say 20. Then in single crochet, you will make only 19 single crochet. So mainly make 1 less single crochet than you make the chain. So, and the number of the single crochet you are making right here will repeat the same in other rows. So if we made 12 single crochet here, in the other row we'll make every time 12 single crochet. If you're making bigger pumpkin and you made, let's say 20 single crochet right here, every row you will have to repeat 20 single crochet. So this is the main idea, how to make the pumpkin, and then I will tell you later how to know when to stop making the rows. So this was the end of row 2. Now row 3. Row 3 and 4 we will repeat one by one. So we will starting by chaining 1, turn the work to the other side, and this is the side that we will be making braids. Braids will be visible on this side. So what stitch we will be making? These are the 2 main loops, you can see, and this is the loop that is in front of you, this one. So we will be crocheting into this loop right here. So we made the chain one right here. We are skipping this one. We are starting from this one. So we will make right here like this single crochet. Again to the stitch like this. I'm using fingers sometimes just to pull it to make nicer stitch. So making single crochet. From the other side it looks like the braid. You can see really nicely. So 1 2 3 4. You can see this is the stitch that I'm working on in front of you, not the main two, but these ones. So 1 2 3 4. 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, and the last stitch we're making right here. It's like almost a corner, but we are still making the stitch to have 12 single crochet like this. So from this side it looks like this. We made 12 single crochet. On the second row we made 12 single crochet, then we turned, also made 12 single crochet. This is how it looks like. Now row 4 we will chain 1 and turn the work to the other side. So we can see right here really nice braid, and from the pumpkin this is the braid that we are making, this one. So now in this row we will be making single crochet in 2 main loops. So this is the first that we made a chain right here. We are not making single crochet right here. It's very important where to start making so that your project would be nice and square, nice to have nice side lines. So we are not making single crochet right here. No, we are starting right here. So through 2 main loops like this, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, and we'll have to make also 12 single crochet. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. It looks like we're ending with the stitches, but right here we will take also the last one, this one on the very side. So we have 12 single crochet. It looks, so far it looks like this. We will repeat row 3, working in the loop that is in front of you, and then making single crochet, regular single crochet. So one row you are repeating one stitch, another row you are repeating another stitch. So now, as always, you will have to repeat chain 1, turn the work. This is the side without the braids. This is the side with braids. So you can see no braids. So you are making single crochet right here in the loop that is in front of you, just like this, and making 12 single crochet. When you finish, chain 1 and make 12 single crochet. You will turn the work to this side. We will see braids, and you will be making 12 single crochet. This is the project that I'm working, but I have now the project that I crocheted more. This is 25 or 20, I think it's 25 rows, so it looks like this. Now, how to know when to stop? Measure this line let's say it's 10 centimeters, then the main part will have to be 3 times bigger. Then it will have to be 30 centimeters. If this line is 15 centimeters, this side should be 45 centimeters. Now, how to measure without the ruler? You can do like this, and fold it like this. It should be equal, so you can see that I'm missing 2 more rows. So you can measure like this to any size pumpkin you are making. If you are making a bigger pumpkin, this means you will have to make it longer, but still you can measure it like this, folding into a triangle. So this is part 1, and folding it like this, and it should be equal. So I will stop this video. I will finish making these lines, and then I will show you what to do next. You can also stop the video, and as I'm making, I chained 13 right here. In the final path, I will have to make 27 rows. So row 27 will be the last for me. So if you make it bigger, it can be less or more, but still you have to make it 3 times longer than this side. And this is the end of round 27. This is how it looks like. I said that this side should be 3 times smaller than the final result. So fold it like this, and you can see this is what we have to have. So you can make any size of the pumpkin you prefer and measure it like this. So this is the good side where we can see the braids. This is the good side. Now what to do next? The good side inside, let's fold the project like this. You can see this is where we ended. Chain 1, and then fold it into half. Now we will crochet it right here. We will be taking the loop that is in front of us, right, this one, the loop that is in front of us, this one, and the one loop from the other side, and make single crochet. The loop that is in front of us, one loop from the other side, and crochet. And just like this, join all the project till the very end. One loop from the one side, one from the other side, just like this. So we can stop the video and continue crocheting 2 sides together. And this is what we have. It's like a sleeve, something like this. So this is the cord that we have left, and let's cut about 40 centimeters like this. Let's make a knot right here. Just like this. And now I will pull it through this cord that I have. I will check the stitches without the braids. You can see the braids, so I will be taking this stitch. So what I will be doing, pull it through like this, then without the braids pulling through, and I will have to do this like this to every stitch that does not have braids. Like this. From one side to another side. And we're using the seam cord. Like this. So now what I will do, I will pull this end like this. So this is one side, and put the good side out like this. It's like a little hat or a bell, how you can say that. So pull the end of the cord that you have as much as possible. So this is one side. I will try to make even a knot right here. Where is the ending? I will try to make right here, pull it as much as possible, and I will make it a knot like this. So one side is done. I'm taking this inside right here. And for the very beginning, we left this longer, as I said. Now we'll have to do the same on this side with this cord. We will start from the other side, from which side we want. So stitch by stitch like this. I'm making it with where we do not have the braids, to the stitches like this. Like this. Finish making on the all round. Almost done. Now put something inside right here. I have a bit of wool. I will put it some colorful wool. It will not be visible, just to form nice ring. Then pull this side. Do it strongly. This is from the bottom. Pull also this from the bottom as much as possible, and I'm making right here a knot, and make a knot from both sides strongly like this, and your pumpkin is done. You can adjust the shape with the finger like this, from the top like this. So mainly the pumpkin is done, and this time it's in mustard color. The first one was in yellow, so it's brother or sister in mustard color. I will try to pull these corners out to have nice shape. So what I will add right here a cinnamon, and I have green cord. I will wrap it around, make a bow, and it will be the same like this yellow. So if you like the video, please do not forget to press like, subscribe, maybe even the ring button. So also check my other videos that I have. I am crocheting crochet bags, baskets, rugs, placemats, and more. So thank you for watching. I hope it was informative and you liked it, and if you have any questions, of course, please let me know.